Hi guys, in the midst of the coronavirus market recession fears, we want to share about why you should keep calm and stay invested. Before that, let us introduce ourselves.
Okay, hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Sarah.
We are husband and wife team. My identity is Mr. Fundamental Analysis or Mr. FA, not a vulgarity. Alright, my ultimate aim is to have a very logical approach to collect good businesses at a very sensible price.
Okay, so I'm actually the more human one because I use a more emotional approach to read market psychology, and the aim for that is to help us to enter and exit on time. Therefore, I'm known as Miss Technical Analysis or Miss Ta.
What do you mean by I'm not human?
Okay lah, you're just like very brainy lah, okay? And we believe that together as Fa and Ta, it actually means to be extremely prosperous. So we believe that together we are better.
Okay, that's our tagline. Together we are better. So if you want to look at our past works, okay, you can either go to our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. It's all at the bottom left corner of the screen.
Okay, so back to our main topic on the market fear because of the coronavirus and the fear of recessions. So we just want to talk about the market psychology right now based on the technical charts. Okay, so just yesterday on 27th February, there was news of a new coronavirus case in the US, and there was a lot of fear because it could be the first sign of community spread in the US. And because of that, we actually saw quite significantly that the US market actually took quite a big hit. So like for example, for the S&P 500, you can see that it has really gone down way below the 200-day moving day average, which we have colored in red over here. Okay, it has gone way below that, and now it is at around $2,978. Okay, not just that, the SPY, which is also an indication of the S&P 500, has also gone below, broke through the 200-day moving average, which we indicated in red, and currently is now at $297. And the Dow Jones, yeah, which actually took it even more drastic drop below the 200-day moving average. Okay, and so all these actually, what does it spell? It actually spells a lot of recession fears, yeah, which has actually caused the free fall in the US market. Okay, so at this point, we actually want to remind everyone to keep calm because, as what Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Okay, so over to you, Mr. Fundamental Analysis. Why is it that we can keep calm?
All right, the key to staying calm is actually you must be convicted about the businesses that you have collected. All right, remember we are not collecting shares, rather we are collecting businesses. So in a market, whether it goes up or down, actually the core business, they do not change much. All right, and this is what Warren Buffett said for investing, especially during financial crisis. Okay, and today you can still use it. All right, he's saying that in the long term, American businesses actually all continue to grow. In fact, I would say strong businesses continue to grow. And when you are having a downturn, a correction like what is happening now, all right, it is actually a very good opportunity to buy these companies at lower prices. And in short, all right, bad news is actually an investor's best friend. Okay, just imagine this. Let's say if you are going after a girl and she just happens to break up, but you are very certain that this girl is the girl of your dreams because she has all the correct values, all the correct, character. And just because she break up doesn't mean that, her market value drops, right? And in fact, you want to be near her so that you can swoop in for the kill.
Okay, now I know why Joe is always by my side when I actually got breakups.
Have man.
Okay, anyway, I think you got me at quite a good price lah.
Okay, I still pay a lot. Okay, never mind. Okay, enough of that. So you see, when Warren Buffett buys it, actually, the S&P 500 since then it has increased by a lot, and a lot of strong companies will continue to make new highs. All right. Okay, and I just want to leave everyone with a quote on what Warren Buffett said. Okay, he said that the real fortunes in any country, all right, has been made by people who has been right about the business, all right, not right about the timing of the stock market.
Yep, so I just want to leave a note here that some of you may be seeing a lot of red in the portfolio and you have been starting to panic. Okay, so I hope that you are starting to panic because you are actually evaluating whether the businesses that you have invested in are they actually weak or strong businesses. I mean, if they are weak businesses, then okay, then actually you can consider to let go of them. But if they are strong businesses, then actually you should actually take this opportunity to maybe collect even more at a discount price. Yeah, and in fact, in order to encourage everyone to stay invested, we are going to share three undervalued Warren Buffett stocks coming up next.
Yeah, these three very sexy or not depends on you, but they are undervalued.
Okay, and we know that they must be fundamentally good because these are Warren Buffett stocks. Okay, so till then, see you next time. Bye.